Experiencing remote entry issues with your Toyota CHR 2018-2021 key fob? A dead CR2032 battery is the most common culprit. This section covers identifying the problem and safely opening the glued-shut fob case. If unresponsive, proceed with battery replacement. Note that 40 to 50% of CHR owners report key fob issues within 4 to 6 years of ownership, so you are not alone. Opening the case requires care to avoid damage. Gather plastic trim tools, a flat screwdriver, or a guitar pick. The case is glued, not snapped, so avoid brute force. Gently pry along the seam, starting at the keyring end. Consider using a heat gun on low setting to soften the glue. Work in a clean, dry area to prevent static damage. Common mistakes include cracking the case due to excessive force, so be patient and methodical. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity, with the positive side marked by a plus sign. Install the new battery accordingly. CR2032 batteries are available at most drugstores and auto parts stores. Clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab to ensure a good connection. Reassemble the fob case, applying gentle pressure to close the seam. No additional glue is typically needed. After reassembly, test the remote functions. If the remote still doesn't work, check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is new and has sufficient voltage. Persistent issues may stem from moisture ingress or internal circuit faults. Consider adding dielectric grease to contacts. While Toyota advises professional reprogramming, most users find a battery swap sufficient. If problems persist, consult a mechanic. DIY repair can save $100 to $200 in dealership costs.